and welcome back to this channel. What is time frame in trading market? In this video, I'm going to talk about all you need to know about different time frame strategy, short, medium, and long-term time frame, and also how Forex traders use time frame in their trading. I will also show you so many practical examples to clarify the method. What is time frame? Time frame refers to the amount of time that a trend lasts for in a market. Time frame consists of three categories. The first one is a short-term time frame, intermediate time frame, and long time frame. Short-term time frame refers to those trading in which the time duration between entry and exit is within range of a few seconds, minutes, a few days, or even a few weeks. Short-term trading focuses mainly on price action rather than fundamental, and it consists of scalping is a short-term time frame that scalpers profit from small price changes by opening a position lasts between a few seconds and minutes. Day trading is also short-term trading in which all entries must exit the same day. Range trading is short-term time frame that takes advantage of market trading within support and resistance level. Swing trading is again a short-term trading that might hold position for days or even weeks. And finally, trend following is also a short-term trading time frame. Here, you simply enter the direction of the trend and hold the position until the trend reverses. Intermediate time frame, a time period that falls somewhere between short and long time frame. Stock analysts typically are referring to a period ranging from 6 months to 18 months. Long time frame refers to trading every few months. Position trading normally focuses on weekly charts but use monthly time frame as primary trend, and for entries and exits use daily or 4-hour charts. And finally, what is multiple time frame? In multiple time frame, the longer time frame can help traders to define the trend direction, and the intermediate time frame is to provide the signal, and short time frame is to improve their entries and exits. What is Forex time frame? The two most common time frame in Forex are long and short time frame, which transmit through trend chart and trigger charts. Trend charts refer to the longer time frame that assist traders to recognizing the trend, where the trigger chart pick out possible trend entry. Day trading trend charts is between 30 minutes and 4 hours, trigger charts between 5 to 60 minutes. Swing trading trend charts is daily and trigger chart between 2 to 4 hours. And finally, position trading trend chart is weekly and trigger chart is daily. Remember, the short time frame, you must be aware of the news since you may be stopped out for nothing. But in longer time frame, the news is hardly matter. This chart will assist you to find the method of trading, the time frame, and also holding time. Look at that. For a scalper, for intraday, M15 time frame and 2 to 2.5 hour holding time. Intraday swing, 1 hour time frame, 8 to 10 hours holding time. Swing trading, 4 hours time frame, 32 to 40 hours holding time, and also could be 1 day time frame, 8 to 10 days holding time. Position trading could be 1 week, time frame and 8 to 10 weeks holding time, or 1 month time frame and 8 to 10 months holding time. I'm going to show you multiple time frame chart in 3 different time frame, D1, H1, and M15, and that is FEC stock. This is the price trend, and the duration is March 16 and March 26, and each candle represents 1 day of trading. You see here, only thing that you see in this trend is the trend is going up, down, and consolidating. This is the same trend, but instead of being in D1 time frame, that's in H1 time frame. And instead of 10 candles, we have 65 candles. And you see the trend is more visible where you can enter or exit the market. Now, if you want to precisely know where you enter the market, you go to 1 time frame lower, which is M15. That's the same trend, the same duration, but instead of H1 time frame, that's M15 time frame. Each candle represents 15 minutes of trading. Here you can precisely know where you enter or exit the trading market. And this is the resistance level for the 3 time frame, and this is the range band that you see how it works. So first you go to the longer time frame, then you go to intermediate time frame, and finally you go to short time frame in order to enter and exit the market. This is the price trend, which is Air Canada stock D1 time frame, and the duration is the 9th of March 2021 till 26th of March 2021. I picked 14 candles, which is between these 2 arrows. Each candle represents 1 day of trading. So I installed MACD indicator to show you in longer time frame like D1. The only thing that you can see the trend is portion of the trend is going upward and portion of the trend is going downward, as MACD indicator shows. Now in the next slide, I'm going to show you intermediate time frame, and then after that short time frame, that how you can enter and exit the trading market. This is the one of the best example that the viewers can see. This is the price trend, and this is the same Air Canada stock instead of D1 time frame, that's H1 time frame, and the same duration and the same 17 candles in D1 time frame, which is so many candles in H1 time frame. So the duration, you see that between these 2 arrows is exactly 17 days. And these are the entry points, and this is the exit point. So it's you see that MACD indicator shows exactly where you can enter and where you can exit the market. But if you want to know clearly where you can exactly enter the market, exactly precisely, we go 1 time frame lower. Instead of H1, we go to M15 time frame to see where you can enter or exit the trading market. This is the price trend, and this is the same Air Canada stock. Instead of D1 and H1 time frame, it's M15 time frame. Same duration, same 17 days duration. Between these 2 arrows, you see the duration that is exactly 17 days. You see the trend is so visible, so clear, that where you can enter or exit the market. You can use known pattern and formations, and also you can use candlestick method blending in order to find the good spot to enter and exit the market. And you see on the top, MACD indicator, it clearly shows where you can enter the market. These are the points that you can enter, and these are the points that you can exit the market. Remember, all the time use price action. You never go wrong with price action, because when you use indicator and the time frame is very short, they give you lots of false signal. So, but you never go wrong with price action. Price action is the best tool that the traders can use and to enter and exit the market. This is the price trend, which is K stock and D1 time frame. Between the two arrows, there are 7 candles, and each candle represents of 1 day of trading. I also installed the MACD indicator above, which shows that the blue line is above the orange line. That's a good indication of an uptrend. And also I installed the moving average with the 20-day period, and moving average shows that the trend is going, it's upward trend and touching the moving average and bouncing back. Now I'm going to go back to intermediate and short time frame to see whether is there any possibility to enter the market within this 7 days period. This is a price trend, which is K stock, and instead of D1 time frame, that is H1 time frame, which is intermediate time frame. Now, between these two arrows, we have 7 days of trading, and the period, the period between these two arrows is 18th of March till 26th of March 2021. Now, I installed simple moving average with 20 days period. Now, upstairs, I installed MACD indicator with 12.26.9 parameters, and between the 18th of March till 23rd of March, you see the price is basically in sideways market, and there is nothing going on. The histogram bars there are shows flatten, and the same thing, moving average shows that is flatten. There is nothing going on. Then the price is on range and consolidation, and after that the price is going down, heading downward, and same thing as moving average shows that the price is going downward. Now, in order to know where you have to enter and exit the market, we can go to one time frame lower that you see precisely where we can enter the market, but these are the point that you can exit and enter the market. So let's go to see M15 time frame to see precisely where we can enter or exit the market. This is the price trend, which is K stock, and instead of D1 and H1 time frame is M15 time frame, the short time frame. So each candle represents 15 minutes of trading. Between these two arrows, we still have 7 days trading, as we saw in the last two graphs. Now, in order to, MACD indicator shows that places that you can enter and exit the market. These are places that you can enter and exit the market. The green ball shows where you enter, and the red ball shows where you exit the market. And so you can use the moving average price action in order to find the enter and exit point. Now, let's say on the 26th of March, where we can enter the market, right there. You see there are 8 candles before the closing, the price, the market closes. It means 2 hours before, means that you can enter the market at 2 o'clock on the 26th of March. And you see MACD indicator shows that the trend is going upward, and moving average shows that the trend is going upward, and also price action shows the same thing. So if you enter the market at this location, then for sure you make money. I hope this is a good example for the traders to start trading. You can also use the following indicator and multiple time frame, as I explained before, to find an exact entry and exit point. RSI, ATR, price action, moving averages, stochastic, OBV, and much more you can use in order to find the exact entry and exit point. But remember, as you go to lower time frame, the false signal increases and it can lead you to a wrong direction. You better verify it with other indicator or use price action to eliminate false signal. That's all, folks. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave your comments. Thanks for watching. Take care and see you next time.